Good afternoon, dear students. Myself Purnima from Sodi Mastermind Classes, Gurdaspur. So, students of class 10th, today we are going to start the new unit, chapter number 10, Light. And light has two parts, reflection and refraction. So first of all, let us discuss what is a light. So students, write down on your notebooks. Heading of the chapter first, Unit 10, Light. Reflection and refraction. So first of all, define the definition of light. Write down light. Light is the physical agent. What is light? A physical agent which produces sensation of sight. So light क्या है? One of the physical agent जिससे हम देख सकते हैं, देखने की शक्ति जिससे बनती है, that is called as light. ठीक है. सो अब हम इसके बाद करेंगे इफ़ेक्ट्स ऑफ लाइट. First, reflection. Suppose this is a mirror. This side is totally polished. Mirror, polished side. Now light comes. Like this. Strikes the mirror surface and get reflected. So a ray is coming, strikes the mirror, this point, and now it turns to the same medium. This is called incident ray, and that is reflected ray. Incident ray, reflected ray. Okay. So write down the process, the phenomenon, phenomenon in which the ray of light do not change its medium. इसमें लाइट अपना मीडियम चेंज नहीं करे. सेम रे ऑफ लाइट आई, स्ट्राइक करी, रिफ्लेक्ट हो गए, सेम मीडियम में रहे, दैट इज रिफ्लेक्शन. ओके. सेकेंड इज refraction. Suppose this is a mirror. Now a ray of light strikes the surface of mirror and then this ray changes its medium. So this is incident ray, and that is refracted ray. Refracted ray. So definition: the phenomenon in which the ray of light changes its medium. Light changes its medium is called refraction. Okay. Now write down some important definitions. First is mirror. What is a mirror? Important definitions. Mirror. Like this, whose one side is polished. This is polished side. Whose one side is polished and another side is reflecting. ठीक है, that is called as mirror. So define, draw कर लो बच्चे. Any polished, smooth and polished surface is called mirror. Mirrors are of two types. This one जो ड्रॉ किया हुआ है, that is concave mirror. Concave mirror. And if I draw like this, this one, it is convex mirror. Mirrors are of two types: concave convex. Okay. Now write incident ray. Next definition, incident ray. The ray falling on the surface of mirror. The ray falling on the surface of mirror is called incident ray. Draw the mirror. One of the ray is coming from this side, strikes the mirror, and that is called as incident ray. The ray falling on the surface of mirror is called incident ray. Okay. The next is reflected ray. After reflection, the ray coming back. After reflection, the ray coming back from the point of incidence. So this is an incident ray, and that point is point of incidence. और यहाँ से रे वापिस आएगी like this. So this is called as reflected ray. The ray coming back, जो रे वापिस आएगी कहाँ से? From the point of incidence. Okay. Next, angle of incidence. So define करेंगे the angle made by incident ray and the principal axis. This central line is known as principal axis, that is the point C, center of curvature, right? A ray of light coming from the source and strike this point This is called incident ray. So the angle made by incident ray and this principal axis is called angle of incidence. I. Draw this one. Now the next is angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. Definition: the angle made by a reflected ray and the center of curvature and the principal axis so ray strikes here. This is called angle of incidence and from this point जिसको आप पोल बोलते हो, from this point a ray coming downwards, that is called reflected ray और एंगल R क्या है? एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. सो एंगल I क्या है? एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. द एंगल मेड बाय रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस इज कॉल्ड एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. चलो बेटा करो नोट, ड्रॉ करिए. हाँ जी, नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन लिखो बच्चे. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर. सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर symbol is C. This one. Center of curvature. It is the center of sphere. It is the center of sphere. ये स्फीयर का सेंटर है, मिरर का सेंटर है. राइट. चलो बच्चे नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन लिखो. पोल सिंबल है P. दिस इज द पोल, मिरर का सेंटर. स्फीयर का सेंटर होगा तो सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर, मिरर का सेंटर होगा, देन इट इज कॉल्ड पोल. Define it. The center of mirror. The center of mirror is called pole. Next definition, principal axis. Principal axis. सो जो लाइन सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड पोल को ज्वाइन करे. राइट. डिफाइन इट. द लाइन ज्वाइनिंग सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर एंड द पोल. The line joining center of curvature and the pole is called principal axis. Okay. Now next. aperture, 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 जिस मिरर के जिस पार्ट से रिफ्लेक्शन होनी है, that part is called aperture. So write down the part of mirror, from where reflection take place. The part of mirror from where reflection take place. Okay, now next, principal focus. That we have to explain for both the mirrors. First, concave mirror. Let us draw the diagram. This is a mirror. Okay. Now principal axis draw करेंगे. This is principal axis. That is C, center of curvature. This point is P, pole. This is principal axis. Now the rays coming parallel to principal axis strikes the surface of mirror like this. So आप orange rays देख रहे हो. 4 rays are coming, 2 upside, 2 downside, parallel to the principal axis के parallel. Strikes this surface of mirror. Strikes this, ये जो मैंने डार्कन किया है, surface of the mirror. Now all of these get intersected at a point like this. ये फर्स्ट वाली यहाँ से पॉइंट पास कर गई, सेकंड भी इसी पॉइंट में से पास करेगी. ये रेड लाइन पे जो पॉइंट है कॉमन होना चाहिए, इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी, सारी रेज इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी. ठीक है. थर्ड रे भी यहाँ पे इंटरसेक्ट करेगी सेम पॉइंट पे लाइक दिस, और फोर्थ रे भी यहीं पे इंटरसेक्ट करेंगी इसी पॉइंट पे. ये देखो, तो दैट पॉइंट वेयर ऑल द 4 रेज इंटरसेक्ट, दिस इज कॉल्ड फोकस. F, principal focus. Okay, draw beta. F is called principal focus. Now let us define what is a focus. When the rays of light coming parallel to the principal axis strikes the surface of concave mirror and get reflected and meet at a single point. That point is called focus. ओके, सिंपल ब्रैकेट में लिख लीजिए F ओके। चलिए अब लिखो नेक्स्ट। सेकंड है हमारे पास कन्वेक्स मिरर। नंबर 2 कॉन्वेक्स मिरर। सो अब हम ड्रॉ करेंगे कन्वेक्स मिरर लाइक दिस। ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका कन्वेक्स मिरर। नाउ ड्रॉ द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, दिस वन। Now parallel to principal axis are the incident rays. Parallel to principal axis are the incident rays. This is your pole and this is your center of curvature C, and let consider this point as a focus point. ठीक है। Now this is a it's a convex mirror. So rays are coming, strikes this mirror, and these get reflected like this. So one of the rays go that side from this point like this, and the second rays goes this side, and the third ray go this side, and the fourth ray go this side like this. Now they come and meet at a single point. They come and meet at this point. Okay, this point is called focus F. Draw the diagram. So convex mirror has virtual focus, देखो ना पॉलिश्ड साइड पे आ रहा है फोकस, और कॉन्केव मिरर हैज़ अ रियल फोकस। So let us define the point at which all the rays meet after reflection is called principal focus. Now the next point is focal length. So from the point F to the point P, this distance is called focal length. Similarly, in this case, from the point P to the point F is called focal length. So let us define the distance between pole, P is the pole, and principal focus. The distance between the pole and the principal focus is called focal length. Its symbol is small f. ओके, सो ये है मेन पॉइंट्स रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ लाइट के। ये सारे पॉइंट्स होपफुली आपको समझ आए हैं। आप एक बार फिर से वीडियो को वॉच कर लीजिएगा। कोई भी पॉइंट अगर अनक्लियर होगा तो वो दोबारा से देख लीजिएगा। ओके बेटा, द लेक्चर इज़ ओवर फॉर द डे। Goodbye. Have a nice day.